Hey guys, Bitcoin Owen here again. Yesterday I talked about the dysfunctional housing market in Ireland and why housing has become so expensive and beyond the reach of most in Ireland. I was just thinking that earlier, most people in Ireland now, when they go to buy a house, they require the help, financial assistance of their parents. Basically, they're being subsidised by their parents when they go to buy a house or apartment in the Republic of Ireland. So here is how Bitcoin fixes the housing market. Bitcoin actually demonetizes housing, basically, because at present people hold housing because it holds its value. It's a good investment. There's no point in leaving your money on deposit in a bank account, basically, because it loses value due to inflation. But if you invest your money in a house, it holds its value and appreciates over time. So people don't like leaving their money lying around on deposit with a bank. They invest it in property, real estate, housing and apartments in Ireland. And then that drives up the price of property and makes property scarce. And scarcity causes price to increase, basically. When supply goes down, price goes up, basically. And that's what's happening. The houses are being gobbled up by investors, basically. So in a Bitcoin economy, if we were using Bitcoin as money, people would not be investing in housing. They would be leaving their money in Bitcoin, basically, because Bitcoin would be a better store of value than property. Bitcoin is a better store of value at present than property, but people don't know it. And people don't trust Bitcoin because it's new. But in the future, people, when the economy hyper-Bitcoinizes, basically, when Bitcoin becomes our money, which many see as inevitable, basically, due to the characteristics of Bitcoin, the traits of Bitcoin, people will store their value in Bitcoin. They won't need to invest it in things like property and the stock market and things like that, hearing after the latest trends and promotions, basically. So there you have it. That's how Bitcoin fixes the housing market.